Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to erase in PicsArt easily and effectively. First, open your PicsArt application on your phone or tablet. Choose the photo you want to work on from your device's gallery. Once your image is loaded, locate and tap the tool's icon at the very bottom of your screen. This icon looks like a small wrench, opening up many editing options for your chosen picture. After tapping Tools, you will see a list of various editing functions. Find and select Remove from this menu. It is specifically for erasing unwanted objects or blemishes. For situations needing a bit more control, consider using the Clone tool, which offers advanced masking capabilities. Both options provide excellent ways to clean up your image, depending on what you are trying to achieve. Once you have selected your erase method, a brush will appear. You can modify its size to cover larger areas or for intricate detail, typically ranging from 1 to 100 pixels wide. Adjust the hardness slider to create sharp or soft edges from 0 to 100%, affecting how your erasure blends. The opacity control allows you to make your eraser strokes more or less visible, helping you achieve a perfect result. If you make a mistake, simply tap the undo arrow at the top of the screen to revert your last action. Should you accidentally erase too much, use the Restore brush to bring back specific portions of your original picture. When you are satisfied with your erasure, tap the checkmark icon in the upper right corner to apply the changes. Finally, save your newly edited photo to your device's gallery or share it directly from the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.